So we're gonna be removing this.
Like, are we wanting like barn-like kind of style fixtures?
Actually, I think
It's a great
American standard.
this water heater. That's
Yeah, that's a very cool
you
boiler.
expect to see in a museum.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder where they come from. San Francisco. Very clever. Oh, if it blew up while you're on the toilet, it's all over.
Or burning yourself as you're.
It doesn't look very insulated.
Yeah.
they worked on the carriage house. I think their schedule was done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you kind of want to match.
Yeah, it's, when we look at this, we're dealing with realized restoration, and we want to keep it authentic, but like clearly that shower, it was not.
So like we're doing at St. Paul, just abandoning in place the Mount two so that it's here.
We still have, the knob and tube is still working in the stone cellar. There's a couple spots upstairs in the house that's still knob and tube.
And then do we want to unblock that right side of the?
I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to make a decision on what's best, because clearly, that's the hallway that should go right straight out.
Right.
And it was blocked off to make this a private apartment.
So I'll just visit with Joanne about how she wants to.
Yeah.
She wants to.
What recommendations you would think you
Yeah.
want to do with it? So
Where do you think this slab was at?
well, it's pretty old,
You know?
although it's not as old as that floor because it's a different level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both of these.
I assume they poured it right on the floor.
Miracle
I think they
whip.
did.
They did it, I think, because they were adding the showers, I think.
Yeah, could be.
Oh, dude, you see the
It's stepped down
Folgers.
to the original floor there, so it's
Sweet.
about a 3-inch slab.
Yeah, that's what that's what I thought they did it on the existing floor.
Yeah.
And there's now see, a mouse that comes out of that hole, I would give respect to.
Yeah, that does look like a cartoon.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Cartoon
saying.
location. What was the gentleman's name?
Pardon?
What is the gentleman's name? Howard?
Howard. Howard Bennett.
See where it's struck.
Come on now.